What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. This 1 minute time frame entry will be a long scalp. Now, after this liquidity grab, price starts to push higher, creating an important order block zone first, marked by this blue rectangle, before trending higher. The reason why I think this order block zone is important is because we can clearly see from the chart how the origin of the order block corresponds with this key support level. Furthermore, this order block area is key because it not only demonstrates how robust this level is, but also where the price might reverse. As we all know, order block levels are important because they can help to identify potential turning points in the market. This makes them crucial levels to watch for any trader who wants to integrate them in their trading strategy. So as we move up the chart, you can see that there were some hesitations and pullbacks along the way, but overall the trend remained upwards. This culminates with price printing above previous day's high and into the 38.33 level. After the completion of this top hunt expedition, the price reverses off of the top and starts to head lower, accelerating its decline into the order block zone via this break-in market structure and redistribution segment. Now, as prices tested the order block's original level, it was important for my long bias to see whether the demand side would step in and defend this area, or if the supply side would be able to break through and push prices lower. Fortunately, the demand side was able to assert itself and push prices back up, confirming my bias.
Order submitted.
And as the chart demonstrates, the market bounces off of the order block's original level via these higher lows. A break-in market structure then follows as the price starts to push to the upside, fully closing in the process this imbalance area over here before breaking to the downside to retest the order block zone. This price action reconfirmed my long bias that the market was gearing up for its next expansion phase. Therefore, I decided to go long based on these technical
Order
indications.
filled. Target filled.
It really sucks when you get stopped out of a trade only to see the market take off in your direction soon after your stop is triggered. That's what happened with my second partial, which I placed near a 4-hour order block zone.
Stop filled.
Okay, with this trade done, let's move on to the next one. So we are looking at a 1 minute time frame for a short scalp. As the chart shows, the market has been in a downtrend after hitting a high point into this order block level. After reversing, the price kept breaking these primary structural lows before repeatedly retracing its steps towards session lows around the 38.25 level. This level, where we have the creation of these identical equal lows, an interesting market occurrence, I should say. Now, this level, and as you can see from the chart, this level has now become a strong support area that the price bounces off of, validating the bottom of this range. This was a catalyst for an upward movement in price towards the range high and into the order block. Obviously, the supply side gained traction after the demand side failed to support a move above the 38.45 level. The retail crowd then got wind of this development and started chasing the market lower. As you know, when the trend is down, it usually takes a lot less volume to keep it going than when the trend is up. This is what we are witnessing in this trading range, which now becomes our point of interest as the market prints these lower highs. Also note here how the price movement makes it look like the current period of price stabilization will be followed by another relief mini rally. The problem though with this interpretation is that these relief mini rallies, which are typically followed by a period of decline, these mini rallies are short-lived for a reason, and that's because they quickly get sold into by the same group of sellers that push the market lower in the first place. Many day traders get caught up in the relief mini rally hype and end up buying when they should be shorting, only to see the value of their positions plummet soon after. For this reason, I think it's important to be very careful when considering placing a trade during such market dynamics. Getting back to our point of interest, the premise behind my short entry was simple. Basically, the idea was that we could have a break in market structure at this level here, which, if it were to happen, would lead to a clear breakdown below the 38-35 support area and another drop in this ongoing bearish movement. Additionally, the thinking here was that the supply side dominance would end only after a capitulation sell-off that would take out all of the weak hands within this range, or at the very least at or near these order block levels, which, as you can see, match up with both my profit targets.
Target filled.
Alright guys, so that concludes this trade. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. With that said, thanks again for watching and hope to see you in the next one.